What's up, you sexy beast? Jumping right into episode 3 of Chainsaw Man. Let's get it. Delicious. Delicious purple brain blood. That was a very good observation for me. Best reactor of all time. Right here.
民間が手をつけた悪魔を公安が殺すのは業務妨害。普通だったら逮捕されちゃうよ。パワーちゃんはもうちょっと考えて行動しないといけないね。
Yeah.
デンジ君も
Kill these monsters roaming the street with, you know, more subtly.
ジンには向いてなかったのかな。こいつが殺せって言ったんじゃ。
You fucking liar. Well, I guess she's like him. Once they're fired, they just kill them, so. Now, Makina's eyes are also like... She kind of seems like she's not human either. Fake ass liar. Sure. I like this shot right here. Very, very heartwarming. Oh, okay. Let's stay in there for a while. Does she have a crush on her too? Is that her power? Is she like Ada? Everyone just fucking loves me. I think so. I think that's possible. Wow, she's like scared to death of her. Rightfully so. I mean, her life is literally in her hands and can have her killed at any time, so I'd probably be a little scared too. Denji's like, fuck it, kill me. Just make sure when you do it, it's with your boobs. Yeah. This fucking guy. Don't kill the cat. Don't drink the cat. She actually like animals? She good with animals, just hates humans? Yeah, because you'll be dead. Alright, so Denji likes boobs and she likes pussy, so I see what's going on here. Meowie? That's a great name. That's honestly really cute. And cats really have an affinity for her too, so. He's kind of a special case. Not really, but he's just more upfront about it. Yeah, a dog person, a cat person. They didn't even put that together. That fucking devil. Oh! Peak fiction! Oh, I already fucking love this show. Oh! Oh! And she is now a wet cat. I guess you're not human, so it kind of makes sense, but it's fucked up. It's like a lot of the group homes I lived in. Basically just like, you know, prison. It wasn't actual prison though, so you know, could have been worse. He is fucking giga brain. So yeah, it's like he can kind of relate with like having a pet and like loving a pet, you know, with his dog, the demon that befriended him. And so he gets it from that standpoint, right? There's relatability there. But really, this is just a 10 out of 10 eyes and level play to make it seem like he cares, which he might a little bit, like I said, the relatability. But I think it's just to seem like he actually cares about, you know, the animal safety because he knows that it's going to get on her good side to somehow wind up with his hand firmly placed on one or both of her breast. Let's continue. This fucking guy. See, that's not even metaphorical. It's not even like he's still alive in my heart. No, he's very much in there. Yeah, no. He's very much in there. Just chilling.
そうだな。
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so.
手仲良くなれねえなこいつ。
You guys are getting along right now. This is how relationships are made. One person pisses you off, and then you slowly just get used to them pissing you off, and then you miss them pissing you off. She's definitely a fiend too. There's no way she's not. She's gonna do some crazy shit. She's probably like the first one that was like brought into that program or whatever. Now she's running it, but under those fucking old white bastards. Japanese.
どうしてそんなに期待をするんですか?
She sees something in him. His lust for titties. He will expunge all the darkness in the world to see the light at his breast. That's interesting. Yeah. And she didn't, so you walked in right after he got done fucking tearing up ass.
だらだらと生きたいだけだと言っていました。公安にはふさわしく仲良くなれると。
But that's motivation enough.
まだガキなん。
Living a good life, but I have to perform and do my job well. That's motivation enough, I think. Well, that was his prior motivation. His new motivation is much more grand in scale. Get Power Meowie back. So did his eye just regenerate? Did his nut regenerate? I didn't even realize that he's not wearing his eye patch.
猫を人質にされんだろ。こんな近くまでついてきちゃダメでしょ。
Denji actually saying something intelligent.
設定?
言い間違いじゃ。
Huh. Is Meowie even existent? Did she lure him out here just to get him out of her way? I'm confused. I'm supposed to be, but I am. Yeah, it's definitely a play on her to make him lower his guard. Oh shit. Yo, her fit is sick. I'm sad because I believed you, Power. What the fuck? I knew you weren't cool enough to name a cat Meowie. And drugs? Who's holding? Is it a 16-year-old girl? Basically, yes. Okay, perfect. This guy's a bat and a pedo. Alright, thank God. Power. She is redeemed. Well, she's never fell from grace. Meowie is real. The Meowie is real. Aw. They're both like rags. Interesting. She's gonna fall in love with it. I bet you. Oh shit. I bet you Denji would still want to touch those boobs. So Meowie's the first cat that she started actually liking, and now she just loves cats. It's like bringing her tranquility. That was quick. So that's why she joined the organization in the first place. Tis an awful feeling. She just give up on life after that? Damn, you're ugly. Denji's on his leg. Yep. I peeped that. So not only is this guy a pedophile, but he's specifically looking for virgins too. Oh, and pregnant women. Alright. Equal rights. Wow. What a fucking line that was. What a collection of words. That was, wow, forgive me. All right. Come again? Oh, yes, again.
俺の胸返せ
That's peak. That's the greatest thing I've seen in
ポ
the
チタ
anime.
がいなくなった時があった悪魔に食われちまったって思ったけど家に帰るとポチタは泣きながら俺を待っているとしてそのまま一緒に寝たのを覚えてる
So you know how power feels right now.
あいつはニャーコを悪魔に奪われて
Let's go. Peak time. Peak map up. Peak map up. All right. Sound design's really good. Pop off them. Probably be weirder angles, but you can hit some Levi Beyblades. Watch, he's gonna upgrade and get some on his legs next. Save the family. Doesn't have tits. I don't care. Based. Your head's coming off, and we're getting Best Girl and Meowie back. Yeah. Give me back my boobs! His motivation in life is the most compelling I've seen in any show I've ever watched. If we don't get at least 5 boob mentions an episode, show's trash. Yep, ride that shit up. That was kind of like a Levi move. God damn, look at you now, you fucking clown. What's up with all that shit you were talking? Come on, man. You see, Makina still might be a little upset about this. This is kind of like what Power did. But I mean, he came here to attack humans, so. Fuck yeah. Peak. Peak. If I had a chat up right now, they would all be saying peak. New ending? Already? Does it switch every couple episodes? That'd be sick. What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Shut the fuck up. Woo! This is just 4 songs. That power chord. Wow. All right, guys, I have quite a few emotions flowing through me after that one. That might have been just for the pure fact that it caught me so off guard. That might have been one of the funniest and just wildest lines I've ever heard in any show I've ever watched. Give me back my tits. Episode was peak. Like I said during the episode, I'm glad that Power actually still, you know, Meowie was real, and getting to see a bit of her backstory, how she was just kind of like this wild, like savage beast, kind of like a wildling from Game of Thrones. And, you know, she was just very like just wild. She was fucking wild. She's naked, she's dirty, she's living off the land, uncivilized. So seeing her backstory, it was kind of fast, you know, like it couldn't have been more than a couple months that she's joined the crew, I feel like. I mean, even she joined relatively relatively around the same time as Denji, because Makino was talking to the higher ups about two new recruits, so 2 new hounds, doggies, if you may. Yeah, this show is fire, and I've always heard good things about the manga, and I'm glad that I am finally watching it. But that's all for this episode, guys. If you like my content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Haven't said that in a minute. I don't like saying the normal YouTube things, but once in a while, I'm just gonna send the olive branch. Maybe you help me out, I help you out. We're all helping out each other, It's good. It's good. Little collaboration between you and me. You know what I'm saying? All right, and I do have a Patreon, so if you want these videos uncut and in full glory, fucking pay me. All right, you guys are all sexy and beasts. Have a great day. Fucking give me my tits, bro. Can I get my tits, bro? Tits? Tits, please?